Replacing windows is one of the most impactful home improvement projects you can take on. In Rayne, where the climate brings hot, humid summers and occasional storms, new windows can improve comfort, cut down on energy costs, and enhance curb appeal. However, many homeowners run into problems because they overlook important details during the replacement process. To help you make the most of your investment, here are the top mistakes to avoid when replacing windows in Rayne. Choosing price over quality. One of the most common mistakes is selecting windows solely based on the lowest price. While it's tempting to cut costs, cheaper windows often come with hidden expenses down the road. Low-quality frames and glass may not insulate well, which means higher energy bills. They may also deteriorate faster in Rayne's humid environment, leading to premature repairs or even another replacement. Always balance affordability with long-term performance and durability. Ignoring energy efficiency. Energy-efficient windows are not just a luxury, they're a necessity in Louisiana's climate. Some homeowners make the mistake of overlooking features like low E coatings, insulated frames, or double-pane glass. Without these upgrades, your home may struggle to maintain a comfortable temperature, and your HVAC system will work overtime. Choosing energy-efficient options can significantly reduce cooling costs and increase overall comfort in your home. Not hiring the right installer. Even the best windows won't perform well if they aren't installed correctly. Many homeowners assume that any handyman can handle the job, but window replacement requires specific expertise. Improper installation can lead to gaps, air leaks, and water intrusion. In Rayne, where heavy rains are common, poor installation can result in moisture damage or mold issues. Be sure to hire certified professionals with experience in window installation and a strong local reputation. Overlooking local climate factors. Some homeowners pick windows based solely on style without considering how well they suit Rayne's unique weather. For example, wood frames may look beautiful but require more upkeep in humid conditions. Vinyl or fiberglass frames, on the other hand, are more resistant to warping and moisture damage. It's important to choose materials and designs that hold up against both heat and humidity while still matching your home's aesthetic. Forgetting about maintenance needs. Window replacement is not just about the initial installation, it's also about upkeep. A common mistake is selecting windows that require more maintenance than homeowners are willing to handle. For example, traditional wood frames may need regular painting or sealing. If you prefer a low-maintenance solution, materials like vinyl or composite might be a better choice. Planning ahead will save you time, effort, and money in the long run. Ignoring aesthetics and resale value. While performance is crucial, the look of your windows also matters. Some homeowners make the mistake of choosing replacements that clash with the architectural style of their house. This can hurt curb appeal and even reduce resale value. In a community like Rayne, where charm and character are important, windows should enhance both functionality and appearance. Take time to choose a style that complements your home while providing the practical benefits you need. Not asking about warranties. Window replacement is a significant investment, yet many homeowners fail to check warranty details. A limited or unclear warranty can leave you unprotected if problems arise. Quality windows usually come with warranties that cover both the product and installation. Make sure you understand what's included and for how long. A strong warranty offers peace of mind and protects your investment for years to come. Final thoughts. Window replacement in Rayne offers incredible benefits, lower energy costs, improved comfort, and a fresh look for your home. But to maximize these benefits, it's essential to avoid common mistakes. Don't let short-term savings, poor installation, or overlooked details compromise your project. By choosing high-quality, energy-efficient windows and working with trusted professionals, you'll enjoy lasting results that make your home more beautiful and efficient.